It's now time to move on over to Event Spotlight. Today, Rajdhani Mandir will be hosting a very, very special event. Did you say what is it? Did you say what's the time? Once you'll find out all these details that I'm about to tell you, you will for sure not want to miss this event. Again, this event will take place at Rajdhani Mandir. Please stay tuned for all the information for this upcoming evening. Adab, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Assalamu Alaikum. मैं नीलिमा मेहरा, आप ही की host, आप ही की दोस्त. Welcome to Event Spotlight. Event Spotlight, like its name suggests, of course, highlights all the events in the Washington metro area and even globally. Well, today I have with me a beautiful lady by the name of Mrs. Parul Bhatt, who's actually the executive board member at a well-renowned temple here in the Washington metro area by the name of Rajdhani Mandir. Now, you do see this footage of Rajdhani Mandir on Facets of Religions in India almost every week. Well, today we have Rajdhani Mandir on Salam India only because it's a very special event. Now, tonight, which is July the 19th, Rajdhani Mandir is going to be hosting a rather unusual event. That's right. Why is it unusual? How is it unusual? Which format? Well, Mrs. Parul Bhatt is here to give us all the information. Are you ready? Here she is. Mrs. Bhatt, welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm very good. Thank you for having me here.
Anytime, madam. You look mighty beautiful in this lovely color.
So do you.
Thank you. Now, welcome to Event Spotlight, and I would like to talk to you about the event that's going to be happening tonight at Rajdhani Mandir. Now, I understand that the visually impaired girls are who you're hosting. Am I correct?
Yes.
So tell me a little bit, where are they from? And tell me a little bit about their institute.
The institute is called Deepa Academy. It's located in Bangalore, India. And they like to call themselves differently abled rather than disabled. So let's focus on their abilities rather than their disabilities.
Absolutely.
And this academy main aim is to empower the girl child who may have a disability, mainly blind girls, visually impaired girls. And you can host a girl or sponsor a visually challenged girl for 25,000 rupees a year in donation. And they teach them all kinds of different things.
Now, you know, I mean, I'm a dancer myself. To learn to dance and to actually perform in front of people are two different ball games. To be blind and to be following that talent is a God's gift. So these are God's children, it's God sent.
Yes.
So tell me, now that Rajdhani Mandir is actually going to be hosting this event tonight at 8 p.m., I believe, am I correct?
6 p.m.
6 p.m., excuse me. 6 p.m. tonight at Rajdhani Mandir. Now tell me, Mrs. Bhatt, about their accommodation, about how you're bringing them. Tell me all about that.
They are traveling from New York to North Carolina.
Okay.
And on their way, we invited them to stop in this capital city and visit us and show us their talent. We are hosting them at the Rajdhani Mandir guest house, which is located right next to Rajdhani Mandir. We're providing all their lodging, boarding, and we also have some families who are coming around to sponsor their meals.
Beautiful, lovely,
and
lovely.
Some donations also,
Of
like
course.
an honorarium.
Of course.
From
Now, this is obviously a non-ticketed event, am I correct?
yes, it is.
Non-ticketed event, but then we do depend on your donations.
Yes, we do,
You know,
yeah.
I mean, आप देंगे और खुदा आपको ऊपर वाला जो आपको है वो दुगना देगा जैसे कहते हैं. So, tell me a little bit more about the dance. These 6 dancers that are coming, are they coming with the troupe? Are they coming with live musicians? Tell me more.
They are coming, they're performing classical Indian dancing from southern India.
Of course.
And they have their teacher with them. And the rest, probably they're dancing on a track, recorded track.
On a track.
Yeah.
Well, that's nice. It's safe that way.
Yeah.
Rather than on the mirdangam and you make one mistake and the Guruji looks at you. So this is and you know what I think to all my viewers, this is a very noble and a humanitarian cause, and I think we all need to chip in. We all need to come. We all need to support this organization. Particularly, you can never go wrong. Now, tell me, Mrs. Bhatt, a few more events, or what is your thoughts on Rajdhani Mandir as supporting the other charitable organizations?
As part of my volunteer activities with Rajdhani Mandir, I am a cultural activities coordinator and a community service coordinator. And recently, in the past 5 years that I've been active with the Mandir, we had fundraisers for the Japan tsunami.
Wow.
For the Indian tsunami that we had, and then the Uttarakhand floods. And we also do a regular food drive through AARP, and we collected about 1,400 pounds of food, non-perishable food items, which we donated recently, and then we'll be doing it again during September.
Wow, congratulations. I think, if every temple were to do this, I think the world will be such a happier place to live in. Now recently, and correct me if I'm wrong, the Rajdhani Mandir actually started what's called Academic Endowment Funds scholarship programming. So educate our viewers about that. There's the camera.
We had a math competition recently, last week of May, and we awarded scholarships, cash scholarships to students, but then a family has come forward. They are supporting this endowment fund that we want to start, and scholarships, cash scholarships will be given to students who are in need,
of course.
Need-based families who have really brilliant students, and they should also be actively volunteering, giving back, since they're getting this. So we're, as soon as our parking lot, the parking lot is started the construction, we're in the preliminary process of cleaning up and start, and once we have the big parking lot, we'll be able to do more of these activities.
And when do you think that'll finish?
It should finish by fall.
Okay.
If not, at least it'll be working in fall, and then the finishing will be done in March once the weather improves.
Beautiful, beautiful. Well, there you go. That's Rajdhani Mandir. Actually, they just had a fundraiser not too long ago at the restaurant where they featured the Ghazal maestro Anup Jalota, and I was there, and I must say it was a sold-out event. And hopefully tonight, if you're listening to us or on our programming and have been following the flyers on Chitramala, we do hope that you will come, because like I said, it's a good cause. It's a very special event. It's a noble cause. And we ask you from our heart, might, and deep down heart, that you come. Please support this. Once again, it's tonight, July 19th, the time?
6 p.m. to 8 p.m. No ticket, free of charge. There will be food vendors selling food. And like they say, the best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen, but they can be felt, so.
Like I said, down deep in the heart.
Yes.
So we do want you to come. Once again, that's our humble request to you. Now, before I let you go, I would like you to face the camera and say anything you want to share with our community.
I would like to share that Rajdhani Mandir is actively trying to provide community service to seniors, again, educational funding to children in need, financial need, and we would like to see more people come through and volunteer, give as much as you can to Rajdhani Mandir's endowment fund and such causes, so that we can actively show the community around us how we are trying to improve the surroundings.
Beautiful, there you go. Once again, please do come tonight. I will be there. Hopefully, you'll be there. हम इकट्ठे मौज मस्ती करेंगे, खुशियाँ मनाएंगे, and also appreciate a dance form which actually will be staged right at Rajdhani Mandir that you'll enjoy, I will enjoy, and we both will have beautiful comments to say. And then, of course, your donations is widely and greatly appreciated. So do come over. And we'll have fun. Thanks a million for coming, my dear. We appreciate
it. Thank you for
it.
having me.
Anytime.
On behalf of Rajdhani Mandir, thank you. And
Anytime.
Giving will liberate you, as they say.
Anytime. And I do know that you've got a Janmashtami program coming
Yes.
up. So we shall have you back again for you to fill us in about that a little later.
And yeah, Bharat Bhargava is going to be our narrator, you know, from In Dialogue.
Of course,
So
of course, of course.
He's going to host the program.
Good, excellent. Thanks a million for your time.
Thank you.